Hello. In today's video, we'll see how you can use AI tools with Excel. Educad is the most trusted skill training brand since 1999 for IT, mechanical, architecture, engineering, and construction. We have 160 plus training centers and dedicated and experienced team members across India. We have trained 250,000 plus students with a record of 18,000 plus placements. EduCAD has partnered with world leading solution developers to provide the best and most comprehensive content. We have been awarded as the most preferred skill based training brand by Economic Times 2024. This is the award. Why you should choose EduCAD? We have experienced and certified trainers. We give 100% practical training. We'll give assignments regularly so that you understand the concepts practically. We give live projects and case studies. We provide placement assistance. Then we have like flexible batch timings. We help you in resume preparation. We give internship opportunities. We have well equipped computer labs. We give reference books for courses. We have updated software versions. We have both online and offline classes. We have a supporting learning environment. We give certificate for course completion. We provide soft skills training also. For placements at Educad, we have the job card portal, which is powered by Educad. You can see many people being placed through it. In this video, we'll see introduction to Excel with AI. Who all can take up the Excel with AI course? We'll see Claude AI tool demo. We'll see career roles and career roadmap. What are the salary trends? That also we'll see. Why you should learn with us? That also we'll see. How many of you have spent like 10 to 15 minutes searching for some Excel formula in Google? How many of you have struggled with that? How many of you have received an Excel file with hundreds of messy records and did not know where to start? How many of you have created an Excel dashboard manually and spent hours deciding which charts to use? So, what if you could use AI as an Excel assistant to help you with those difficult tasks? We'll see that. Excel with AI means combining your Excel skills with AI to work smarter and not harder. AI can act as your assistant to help you create and understand formulas, clean and analyze data, recommend charts for designing dashboards, to generate reports, to discover business insights. So, in traditional Excel workflow, we used to have some problem to generate some formula or something. We used to go for Google and find a formula. We used to try the formula, we used to get some errors sometimes. So, we used to go to Google again, used to fix it and analyze again. But with AI assistant, you'll have a problem, you'll ask AI to solve the problem, you'll understand the output, you'll generate or verify the solution, apply the solution in Excel, finally analyze the solution. So with this we understand that AI is not replacing Excel. AI is helping us use Excel more effectively. So we'll see who all can take up Excel with AI course. Programming background is not compulsory for taking up Excel with AI course. Working professionals can take it up. Career break candidates can also take it up. Freshers who have completed BCA, BSc, BCom, BE, MBA, MCA, they also can take up. Now let's see what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is technology that enables computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. So examples include understanding language, recognizing some patterns, making predictions about the future, generating content. Generating content involves text, images, videos, like that, and also to analyze the information, any raw data, that also AI will help. Now we'll see what is generative AI. Generative AI can create new content based on the instructions we provide. The new content can be text, images, code, summaries, analysis. So we'll see when it comes to Excel what all it can do. Can be used to generate formulas, can be used to do data cleaning, can be used to do data analysis. We can ask AI to recommend some charts, and it can be used in creating of dashboards. We'll see few of the examples in life. So I have this customer data. So I'll copy this and I will ask Claude AI tool. Let me know the sales amount for South region for laptops. Also, give me the formula. I have data from A2 to B10. So I gave the data where it is situated. So it is changing the formula. So here you can see D2 colon D9. Here it is changed it to D10. So I can just paste the formula here. So it is giving me 1,67,000. So here only we can see South laptop. So we have to use this. This is North laptop. This is again South laptop. So sum is 1,67,000. So answer is correct. Now I can do data analysis also. So I'm giving prompt like this. So it is giving total sales is 3,31,000. So we can see that here. Then totally 8 transactions, which is true. What is the sales in the south region? What is it in north, east, and west? By product, what is the sales amount? And what is the units sold? What is the percentage of sales? What is the different observations that you have? All those things are there. Now we'll see how we can use a Claude AI tool for data cleaning. So if you observe here, this record and this record, they are the same thing. Means it is like a duplicate record. So we'll see how to remove the duplicates. So row 3 was an exact duplicate of row 1. So, so these two are the ones that I need. So you can just copy paste like this. So I hope the examples were clear. So we'll see what are the career roles if you take up Excel with AI. You can work as MIS executive, where you will be generating reports, dashboards, and doing data analysis. Data analyst will be doing data cleaning, data analysis, and data visualization. HR executive will be involved in creating employee reports, attendance, recruitment data. As a finance side, you'll be generating financial reports, expense analysis also will be generating. As a sales executive, sales report you'll be generating and also doing customer analysis. When you go to operation side, you'll be doing performance reports, you'll be generating performance reports and doing KPI tracking. So these are the salary trends. So for the different roles that you take up, what is the salary you are going to get? So this is the career roadmap. So yeah, first you'll be learning how to use the AI tools with Excel. You'll be taking up a project. So we'll be guiding you for the project, and we'll help you in building the resume, and you'll be able to take up the interview. You'll be getting the job. And one thing I would like to tell you here is, you don't necessarily need to become an AI engineer to get the benefit from AI. Professionals in many offices can use AI to become more productive. So Excel remains an important workplace skill. Combining Excel with AI assisted productivity and data analysis skills can make your profile more relevant to modern workplaces. And this is the offers that we have. Actual course fees is 24,700. Offer price is 16,800. Is payable in 2 or 3 installments. Duration is 50 hours, and we have both online and offline classes. If at all you are doing one shot payment, the price is little less, comes to 14,000. And we have the syllabus. Let me show you the syllabus. We have all the basic concepts like date and text functions, data handling, uh, name ranges, use of arithmetic functions, logical functions, advanced functions, data visualization, pivot table and pivot charts, dashboard creation, Power Query, VBA, and macros. Then we start doing the AI part. We have introduction to AI, how to use AI with Excel. We have prompt engineering, AI for data cleaning, AI for data analysis, AI for dashboard development. Let us know in the comment box if you have any questions. For more videos, click on like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.